Ang tagal ko naghintay, mga almost 2 hours din siguro yun. Wow, so hot. Papawis na ako agad. Hello everyone! So for today's vlog, I'm going to school dahil kailangan kong asikasuhin yung schedule ko. Dahil wala pa rin yung hindi pa rin inaayos at hindi pa rin nagre-reply yung student advisor ko. So we're gonna go there on a road trip, 1-hour road trip with you guys. Medyo medyo matagal na trip, pero you guys are gonna go with me. Kumikintab yung mukha ko ngayon dahil skincare, you know. First stop is we're gonna go get some coffee dahil ilang oras lang yung tulog ko kanina, 5 hours lang. So yeah, let's go. Yan. Natagalan akong i-figure out kung paano ilagay yung GoPro. Ganito lang pala. Oh my gosh. Pero yun guys, we're gonna go to Tim's na. It took me like at least 10 minutes para lang ma-set up tong GoPro na to. Kasi tinanggal ko kanina ba kasi mainitan eh. So yeah, we're gonna go now.
Hi.
Hi, can I please get a large iced coffee?
Anything else?
And everything twist, heated please? Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Yeah, we ordered a coffee, guys. May 1 hour pa tayong biyahe. 1:46 yung dating ko dun. Okay, that's good. That's good enough. I'm good. How are you? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I may help you.
Palagi like parang feeling ko napapanik ako palagi. Every single time na magbabayad na. I understand na kailangan mabilis kasi talaga sa things. Dahil nag-work ako dun. At boy, kailangan mabilis ko sa drive-thru. Tapos ko lang dun sa school at sobrang tagal ko naghintay, mga almost 2 hours din siguro yun. Hindi rin nila ako na-register kasi kailangan ko daw tapusin yung isang form, and then once matapos ko yung form, once na napasa ko yung form, which is kakapasa ko lang din kanina, ma-process nila yung form and then mabayaran ko yung deposit, and then dun lang ako makapag-register for courses. I really hope, pinagpipray ko kay God na sana na-process nila agad-agad kasi it's already the second week of classes by next week. So, kailangan ko nang makapasok agad-agad. Hopefully, kahit sa flex program or kahit sa weekend ng classes, I'm totally fine with that. So yeah, we're gonna go, pupunta ako sa Tim Hortons to get some coffee. I don't know kung saan ako kakain. I don't feel hungry at all. Then mag-gym ako mamaya. Samahan nyo ako. Tim Hortons muna. Kape muna tayo para gumana yung mind ko. Yung brain ko pala. So, I'll see you guys. Peace. Thank you. Can I have a straw, please? Good evening. Yan. So, nakuha ko na yung coffee ko. Medium iced coffee. At dahil gutom tayo, nag-order ako ng chicken cravables. Yan, nakabalance kayo ngayon sa Manibela. Kita-kita nyo to yung double chin ko. Basta naman yung buhay nyo, guys. Share naman kayo sa comments. Kung nagsisira kayo, ayos lang. Ako na mag-share. Hintay ako mag-register ng courses ko kanina. At di rin naman natuloy. Kaya ako pa magpasa ng form at magbayad ng deposit. Sobrang complicated, promise. Pag natapos ko talaga tong school na to, I'll be able to take a sigh. Actually, di pa tapos kasi mag-board exam pa ako ng nursing. In God's timing, we'll be able to finish this. And I'll take you along with me with it. Malalabat na yung cellphone ko. 10% na lang. 10% na lang. Wala akong charger. Lagay na natin yung navigation. Saan ako pupunta? Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong address nitong Planet Fitness na to. Lobat na ako guys. 10% na lang. Saan ako dadaan? Feka lang, friend! Hi guys, dumating na ako sa gym. Naglalagay lang ako ng sapatos. I mean, ng medyas. Papalit na ako. And gym muna ako guys. See you later. What's up guys? Yo! How good man? That was really enjoyable, bro. Ngit. Okay, uwi tayo. Ligo ako pagkarating. Today, ano lang ako actually. Pumunta lang ako ng school kasi inasikaso ko yung sa schedule ko. I'll update you guys kung may ano na ako by then. May schedule na ako by then. First time ko dito sa gym na to kasi kaka-avail ko lang tong membership nila nung kailan ba yun? Last month ata nung August. Very big. Sobrang laki niyang location. So, I'm very glad. Madami siyang treadmill. Ang daming treadmill. 3 lines ata. 2 lines ata yun. Dinarin ko talaga to kasi kala ko may isi-share ako sa inyo. Pero, wala na akong masyadong ma-share. Sunset na agad. Oh my God! 7 PM na! Nanduin ko si Papa later ng 9 PM. Which is 1 hour and a half. Grabe, ang bilis ng oras. What the hell? Plano ko for the week, for the rest of the week actually is mag-work lang. May work kasi ako hanggang Sunday. Pero yung Thursday and Friday ko is in person. Tapos yung weekends ko is actually ano lang, sa bahay lang. I don't really have to go out, which is good. Grabe, as in talaga, oh my God, school. Sana ma-register ko yung 3 courses ko kasi if mawalan ako ng slot, mamumove siya sa next semester, which is not ideal. At ayaw natin mangyari yun. Siguro walang tao sa bahay ngayon. At hindi ako nagugutom dahil kumain naman ako kanina. One thing that I learned is I should eat more protein since I'm trying to lose weight para makapag-build ako ng muscle. Protein siguro na pwede kong kainin sa bahay. Egg! Oh, I can eat some egg. That'll be good. I am 2.4 kilometers bago ako makauwi ng bahay. Sarap talaga sa feeling, no? Ang pinaka-challenging kasi talaga kapag nag-gym is yung urge mo ba na tumayo. Yung urge mo na tumayo at pumunta sa gym. At mag-ready para sa gym. First step is always the hardest. Just like what my mentors are saying to me. First step is always the hardest. But once you take the first step, it will be very, very easy na lang after. Which is totally true. Kasi in all the things that we feel scared to do, ang kailangan lang talaga natin gawin is to take the first step. Tapos, once na take yung first step, edi, since yun na yung pinaka biggest hurdle meron tayo, yun na lang yung ang kailangan mo na lang i-overcome is yung mga bagay after that. But if it's more challenging or sabihin natin na mas mahirap siya dun sa first hurdle mo, then that's totally fine kasi yun yung yun yung para will guide you to the next level or mas mag-grow ka pa. So parang gym, 'di ba? Medyo malayo pala yung gym na to, no? Ba't ko ba pinili ito? I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out. Bye! May klase ako ng bago pa eh.